And so like anything can happen. And if you don't take your obligation seriously, I'm in charge of 6 people in my family and a dog, right? In my immediate family. Those are my priorities. And then my in-laws live down the street. And so like those 8 people are part of my plan always. And so like, I feel like I have an obligation to be prepared for them to take care of things. And I think that everyone should take that mindset. And so like, if you can't take care of your family for 2 weeks with no involvement from electronics or anything else, then like, you're not a good steward of your family. And there's nothing I can say to the contrary. I don't care what you have to say about me. If you can't provide food and water for everybody that lives under your roof for 2 weeks, then you're not really paying enough attention.
Sure.
Like, you shouldn't get so lazy that you rely on every system and technology that we have available at our fingertips that you can't sustain yourself for any period of time.